Hello guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. First, what is this Meta AI? So this is a new feature here, not just in Instagram, but also on Messenger and other social media platforms. So you can tap to view your chat with Meta AI by placing your finger next to the search bar at the top of Explore or your inbox. The responses from Meta AI might not be reliable or pertinent, therefore, crucial judgments shouldn't be based on them. On Facebook and Instagram, the Ask Meta AI Anything prompt appears whenever you click on the search bar. So it's so easy to look or to find this one. Now you can also go to a specific conversation. All you have to do is to go to the text box and then type at. Then you will see these options like at Meta AI, ask questions, slash silence, send message without a notification, slash imagine, describe an image for Meta AI to generate. And then after that, it will be sent directly to that specific person. Or if you go to the search bar or explore or tap the icon of Ask Meta AI, it will take you directly to this where you can ask anything. Ask any questions you like. Okay, it could be school, assignments, project, or work, something like that. So feel free to ask Meta AI. For example, write a paragraph on New York City, what's going on with this specific place, or tell me something about this fruit or this person, something like that. Then you will see the response from Meta AI. Okay, so you can also generate an image. All you have to do is to type slash imagine and then type prompts and then send, and Meta AI will generate images for you. So I really hope that somehow it will help you on how to use this new feature here on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.